Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yara. I hope you guys are having an amazing and blessed day. What I have for you guys today is this eyeshadow look. So I hope you guys are ready to learn a lot. And my loves, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna jump straight to the makeup and I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow. I'm using the palette by Morphe and this is the 35B palette. I love this palette, it's super colorful. Taking a fluffy brush, this is in the number 7 and it's by BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna start with this shade right here and I'm gonna be applying it all over the crease. This is gonna be one of the main shades, so make sure you take your time and blend everything. I like to tap the product and then blend it as I go. And before I keep going, I want to share with you guys my outfit for tonight. It's a beautiful dress and it looks like this. It has beautiful shades. You can notice it has royal blue, it has green, and it has a pop of pink. So of course I want to try to focus in all those colors and try to apply it on my eyeshadow. I think it will look great and I hope I can do it. Now taking a smaller brush, this is by Morphe, and I'm going to be taking this bright pink shade and I'm going to be applying it basically on the same spot I applied that purple pink shade that I did before. And I'm just going to be concentrating this on the crease, tapping all the excess product and applying it little by little. Okay my love, now taking this flat brush, I'm taking this green shade. At first I thought it wasn't gonna make no difference. I thought you wouldn't even be able to see it, and it is. I mean, I should have just waited to the end and added this color, which I do go back and add it. Just keep washing and you'll notice, but I'm just adding this color. Now moving on, I'm taking this royal blue and I'm taking it with the flat brush. I'm gonna apply it all over the crease. This is the main shade and I loved how it looked. I have never added a dark color on my lid, so it does look stunning at the end. So anyways, make sure you take your time and you're really patient. You have to add little by little if you want this blue royal to look pigmented. So be patient and add little by little. Now going back with the pink, I'm just blending it on the edge of the lid, making sure everything is nice and blended. Going back with the fluffy brush that I started with and just keep blending little by little and you'll see the end result. Going back with the palette, I'm taking this green shade and adding it on the crease again, just because like I mentioned before, I did lose the shade with all the blending and I want to make sure I have a pop of green, especially because it's on the dress. So yeah, I'm just adding little by little and keep going. And for the bottom line, I'm basically adding the same colors. Now taking this beautiful green glittery shade, I'm gonna add it on the tear dot. Moving on with the lashes, I'm going to apply it and I'll be right back. So before you leave, I want to mention what lipstick I'm wearing. This lipstick, my love, it has become my obsession. I wear it every single day. I just love it. It looks super natural and stunning. It is on the matte side. It is matte stick, but it does not crack on your lips. And this lipstick is by Sephora. Looks like this. The shade is stunning and this is number 23. So I hope you can get your hands on this because it's amazing, especially for a makeup like this. You want something more in the natural shade, so this is a perfect go shade. I use this often, but I hope you can find this because it's a perfect shade and you're gonna love it and it looks great in every skin tone. But yeah my loves, I hope you guys learned a lot in this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. I love you so much and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you my love for staying to the end. I just wanted to share with you my outfit. I love it so much and I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next one.